Hey everybody, today I'm going to go over some stats that were released from the Barrie board. You do have to take stats with a grain of salt because they go from this time this year to this time last year, so December to December. But I do have the yearly stats here. I'm going to share a screen for you. And hopefully this will give you a little bit of a look into where the market's been going. So this is Simcoe County for December 2022 and Q4. So there are a lot of stats here, but it shows here over year to year, which is a little bit better than looking month to month. So the amount of sales were 243 in 2022. There was 401 in 2021, and it's down 39%. In the city of Barrie, there were 69 in 2022 in December, and 2021 was 136. So a down 49% in the city. The average sale price, as you can see, went down 7.9% in Simcoe County, but in the city of Barrie, it went down 17.1%. So in the outskirts, say Innisfil, Essa, Springwater, it didn't go down as much as it did in the city itself. So the months of inventory, it's saying 4.6. So the inventory level is pretty decent. And last year was 0.5, so half a month. And that change is 822% higher. And the average days on market is up 150%. Now in the city of Barrie, it's up 180%. It went from being 10 days on the market to 28 days on the market on average.
Yeah.
So when you look at these numbers, it's kind of horrifying, isn't it? Now, what's funny about it is that, so they break it down into detached homes, semi-detached, townhouses, and condos. So it's actually looking like the average sale price in condos went up 10.3% in Simcoe County. In Barrie, it went down 14.8%. So you see how this can be pretty misleading, right? In the city itself, the detached homes went down 13.5%, semi-detached 19.4%, townhouses 20.2%, condo and apartments 14.8%. When you look at overall Simcoe County, the numbers are not as bad as that. But the average days on market went in Simcoe County. Average days went 40, in Barrie 28. So in Simcoe County as a whole, in the outlying areas, they were getting higher prices, but they were taking longer to sell. So this is Collingwood, Essa. So Simcoe County is a huge area. Most of us in Barrie will buy in Midland, Collingwood, Aurelia. Like we know the area, the Simcoe County area. So we kind of buy all over the place. And these numbers help us everywhere. Like look at in Collingwood, the average price of condos, the percentage of the change of sales was down 63%, but the price was 85% higher. So it's a funny market, right? Like some places are terrible and some places, Barrie by far is almost the worst of everybody. That's what these stats are telling us. And this shows year over year. Average sale price, new listings, and it's Agila, I can't say it. Toronto, Bradford, West Gwillimbury, Clearview, New Tecumseh, Oromodonte, Penetang, Ramara, Severn, Springwater, Tay, and Tiny. So these are the outer areas. And this is the graph year over year. So it shows Barrie. Look at the big difference in Barrie, but then look at Bradford, West Gwillimbury. It's actually the opposite. Clearview, Collingwood, Essa, Innisfil, Midland, New Tecumseth, Aurelia is also a big, huge drop. Oromadonte, Penetanguishene, Ramara, Severn, Springwater is almost exactly the same. Tay is actually more in December 2022. And Wasaga Beach is, well, the drop isn't as bad as in some of these places like Tiny and Barrie and Aurelia, but you can see the difference in the areas. And more people are going north, and you can see that like Aurelia's down, but like Collingwood, Essa, and Innisfil, I mean, they're down, but they're not horrifyingly down. And this shows the month over month from December to November. So in Simcoe County, the sales, this is a month to month, which is kind of cool too. December, there's 243, November 420, they're down 42.1% in Simcoe County. The average sale price actually went up. From November to December, it went up 6.8% in all of Simcoe County. The new listings were 380 in December, 822 in November, so they're down. New listings are down 53%. And the months of inventory went up. Average sale price, average SPLP means average sale price to list price. So how close did the person get to what they actually were looking for? And in Barrie, that only changed was down only 1%. And the average days on market in Barrie, 28, but in all of Simcoe County, it actually went up from 33 to 40. And in Barrie, you can see the changes in sales were down 47%, but the average sale price was only 0.7 of a percentage. So between November, December, our prices didn't really move a lot. And I know we've had 2 or 3 interest rate hikes, and everybody thinks, the prices are keep dropping and dropping and dropping. But from over these numbers, you can see that they're not dropping a lot. And this is month over month as well. So the average sale price actually went up 6.8% in Simcoe County, 0.7% in Barrie, it went up. Collingwood, it went up 1.6%, Essa 38.3%. Now, one thing you have to understand with averages, now Innisfil went down 12.8%, Midland went down 19.6%, Aurelia went up 15.2%, and Wasaga went down 9.18%. The one thing that you have to really, really be careful of when you look at these numbers is this is an average, right? And an average, say in the end of 2022, we didn't see very many higher price listings sell. Like things over $1 million, 1.2, 1.3, you didn't see it. Like there just wasn't a lot of high price selling, they were all lower. So now you're averaging a whole group that are already low. In January, in the first 2 weeks, I saw 5 or 6 or more very, very high prices that had been on the market over 100 days, and they sold in January. All of a sudden, boom, 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 all these high prices were selling. So our average price will actually probably look like it went up, but from December. But from last year in January, our numbers are going to look horrific. So whenever you're looking at stats, you have to be aware that this is an average of right now. Say a whole bunch of condos sold in 1 month. They're all lower priced, right, than detached homes. So your averages can be a bit skewed too, and you have to keep that in mind when you're looking at these numbers. Hopefully this helped you. And I think it also kind of says that right now, prices aren't really going down too much. And I don't know if we've hit rock bottom, but maybe we have. Do you guys think we've hit rock bottom? Drop me a comment and let me know. If If you like the video, hit the like. If you want to see my videos as soon as they come up, hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon.